coming for the next. So what we finished in the after the move instruction is barrel shifter. So the barrel shifter means whenever a resistor should undergo one step extra work, then comes the work of barrel shifter. It has to pre-process that data and supply that data to the ALU. So ALU can do work with another resistor or here. Okay. So what happens here? The target take a value of R5, perform this logical work using barrel shifter. You will get a new value. That new value you take it according to the move. So what is the definition of move? Whatever is here that we have to copy into R7. So this is not a simple work directly taking R5 and copying into R7. So first take R5, perform this logical shift left by n times. You will get a new value. That value should be loaded or transferred to R7. So this is what explanation was. So then arithmetic instructions we have studied: addition, subtraction, then reverse subtraction, subtraction with the sign. Okay. This ADC we have skipped because to study in the part B of lab program. So how the work of addition, we all know it's a simple addition. RS1 plus RS2, source resistor 1, source resistor 2, both are added and stored on to RD, that I have shown in the program also. Subtraction, source resistor 1 minus source resistor 2. Whereas in a reverse subtraction, more rightmost of my side minus the middle one. Earlier, the middle one minus rightmost. Okay, so see the difference. Subtraction of S, that here it will be N. Okay, so this N is here. Whenever we wanted to subtract one constant from something, so it is generally used for loop instructions like we are using in our C programming for loop for I equal to 10, I less, I greater than 0, I minus minus, such a cases we are using. Okay, then some of the program I have shown: hexadecimal 3 on R2, hexadecimal 2 on R1, addition of both and getting a result of 5, then 3 minus 2 plus 1, reverse subtraction, 2 minus 3, it's a minus number, hence it will be stored in a 2's complement f, like that we have seen in the last class. So then we have seen a multiplication, R0 into R1, 2 into 3 or 3 into 2, which will be answer of 6. So then comes R6, I have loaded a new value called 9. R6 subtracted by 2, 9 minus 2, 7. That value will be loaded onto R7. So then comes arithmetic instruction using a barrel shifter. I have explained also with the help of one of the program. So what is the instruction here? There is an add instruction. There are two resistors. R0 is a destination, R1 is a participant. Also R1 goes under the barrel shift in work. So first R1 is what? 5. R1 should be left shift by one time. Left shift by one time means multiply it by 2. Hence, take 5. First you multiply with the 2. Hence, you will get a 10. Then original R1. What is the original R1? 5. So between 10, which is a R1 LSL, and only R1, what we have to do is addition. So we did here 15. The answer 15 should be converted into hex. Then we have stored. The same I have shown through with the, in the program using subtraction. Okay. So here is a part. So which I have finished in our previous class. Okay. Today we'll go for logical instructions. Please go through with the definitions here. Okay. I'm not giving complete, very simple instructions. So both operands are converted into 32-bit in all the instructions of logical type. Okay. Then comes out here RD, RN, number N. You can say number N, or you can take RS2. This is RS1. This is RD, resistor destination, resistor source 1, resistor source 2. So if you replace this by resistor source 2, Everywhere you will get a RS2. So according to that, I have done a program. So what happens here? RS1 and with RS2. RS1 logical OR with RS2. RS1 logical XOR with RS2. This is different, which you know. And one more thing, in our day-to-day life, we write OR instruction as OR. But in ARM subject, please recall or remember, it's a ORR. Two times R here. And exclusive OR, generally we have a symbol. What we used to write, we will write a plus symbol and circle it, or we will write EXOR. But here, remember it, EOR. That means exclusive OR. So we have a special logical one more instruction called BIC, bit clear. So take a number, that is RS1, RS2 should be complemented, then ANDed, whatever the result will get, that is going to store. Okay, hope it is clear. So now the question here, here I will write something. So explanation for AND gate. So how many possibilities we have are 0 and 0. So what will be the answer? Can you go on giving me in the chat box? Okay, now I will write different combinations. 0 and 1. Then 1 and 0. And finally 1 and the 1. Sorry. Okay. So we can write answer here 0, 0, again 0, and last is 1. This is a table for OR. Sorry, and now I will write a table for OR. 0 or 0. So then I have here 0 or 1. Then we have 0, sorry, 1, then or 0, and the last one 1 or 1. Okay, hope you all know the answers. Very simple way, it's a 0, it's a 1, it's also 1, and 1. That is answer for OR. So let's go for exclusive OR. So 0 exclusive OR of 0. 0 exclusive OR of 1. 1 exclusive OR of 0. Sorry, here it should be 1. Then last 1 exclusive OR of 1. Can you go on giving the answers? See, one simple way to remember is exclusive OR equation means A bar B plus AB bar. Okay, so here A bar means what? 0. Sorry, that means 1. 1 into 0, 0 plus AB bar. So this will be 0. And here also I will write it as 0. So these two I will write it as 1. So how to remember the answer of exclusive OR? If two symbols what we are comparing are same, output will be 0. The two symbols what we are comparing, two symbols or two bits what we are comparing are different, then output will be high. So this is how to remember. So now can you give the answer of the programs like how I asked? I will show also in the software environment ones. So what is the first number? 0, 0. What is the important thing here? Even though I have wrote a 0, 0, what we have to get it from this checkbox, sorry, this slide is, see this comment where the cursor is, numbers should be 32-bit. If numbers are 32-bit, we have to assume 8 symbols. See the total: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here also two symbols I have typed. I have to assume 6 more. So I have got here, let's check. 8th position F, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, one extra. Let me remove it. 1, 2, 6, 8. Okay, right now. So can you go on giving the answers for R3? R3 answer. Answer for R3. Correct. Why? Santosh, answer for R3. I mean, why it is 0? Correct. Okay, rest all answers you can easily imagine. One more thing, what we have to assume here is important. Let me keep it here, and I will take only these two lines. Here it is. So these are the two numbers. The first number is has 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So please imagine each number as a combination of 4 more. Okay. Then only we will get a 32-bit number. Okay. Like this. Okay. Next number is what? 0. 0. So again we have a 0. 0. Then we have 0. Then we have 0. Then 0. And last we have is F. So if we expand, what you will get here? 4 zeros, again 4 zeros, then again 4 zeros, 4 zeros, then again, and the last one is 4 ones. So what will be the answer here? That means here. So answer, what we have to do is bitwise and. See this, which I have selected to with this. Okay, not this. Always start from LSB side. So 0 and 0. So here what will be the answer? So if you want writing from the your LSB side, so it is like this. So answer is correct. Okay, what about the answer? This you can easily imagine. I don't write. So what about R4? Looking into the problem, can anybody define the value in R4? Reply in the chat box. Okay, so whenever we have to give, try to give answer in 32. Why? There is a condition. See here, 32-bit answers. So even if you type, maybe some zeros will not be shown in the here. But what is definite answer is here. Let me type 0, again 0, again 0. So then 0, then 0. So then 0, 0, and F. This will be the answer. Okay. So if you expand here, you will get 4 zeros like that. So almost 28 zeros you will get for this, because there are 7 main zeros. So that leads into bits called 4 zeros each. So 7 into 4, 28. So there is one symbol called F, which leads us to 1. So total of 32 bit. Hence we will get it as I think it was a Praveen. My God. If you are not interested, please leave. Whatever you did, it is available, it's visible for everyone. So such things are not at all allowed. Even I have kept it for a record. All your behaviors will be recorded. Fine. Let's go for the next R5. Can you give the answer for this R5? Exclusive R means exclusive OR. What is the definition for exclusive OR? If bits are different, give it as 1. If bits are same, give it as 0. So what is definite result for this here? First 4 F. So rest all 0. So correct answer. Okay. So next one. Next one is important. Listen carefully. Bit logical bit clear. Logical bit clear. So what should be done? Not of n, then and. So what I have to do here is I took this number. First, I have to perform not of this. How to perform not 111, 111. Okay, so 111. And if you can imagine the answer and give me, you can type the answer here. So what I will do, I'll clear this content. Okay, so then because number is changed now, so what will be the new number after this complementing is F, F, then F, then F. So correct your answer. F, F, and 0. So between this, what is a logic here? So let me take it here. Okay, you can imagine now. These bits and these bits should be AND. So here we have to perform a AND. So what is this answer now? 0. You can start from your right side. Means LSP side. So even this I have to change into 0. So answer will be 0. Hope it is clear now for all. Let's go for the software. Can you see the software environment now? Yes, okay. Project, open project. I have prepared this already. So logical instructions, and this is what the numbers I took. I tried to type same explanation, whatever I gave you. Okay. So answers, let's check now. So what is the result of, see this, even I have given only 2 zeros in my program. Really, they are extended to 8 symbols. So 8 symbols means here, when I keep a cursor, can you notice there in the yellow small dialog box? Okay, so it is converted into 32-bit number. So F converted into 32-bit number will become 7 zeros, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, then 1 F. Okay, what is the answer for AND? Okay, first you make a notice how the values are loaded there on first R1, then R2. R2 has got F. So what is the answer for R3? Answer for R3. You're correct. Yes, we cannot see blue because it is not changed. Whenever we get a change, then only we will get this blue strip there. Okay. So what is R4? R4. I think it should be 0F. You can see now 0, 0, 0F. Correct. So what should be exclusive R answer? R5. That should also be 0. Okay. exclusive or, sorry, it was what we have discussed for exclusive or. R5. Exclusive or. Is it right? Exclusive or. Let's go for the slide. Okay, I think it will be correct. Will it be correct? Exclusive or answer R5. Vivek. Vivek.
Yes, sir.
Mute yourself. Okay, some noise we are getting. So what is the answer for R5? Exclusive or. No. Please check R5 answer. Here we have discussed. Yes, R5 answer should be 0F. So we have got a R5. So what is the answer we got for R6? Just now we have discussed, no? R6 answer. R6 answer. So I think it is 0. Yes, we'll see. R6, well, it will be 0. So we will not get a yellow line, sorry, blue line, because R6 is already 0. It is going to be 0. So we will not get a difference there. Yes, R6 is 0. Is it clear now for everyone? Let's go for a small change in the numbers. Can you imagine and give the solutions? So what are the two numbers I took now? Two numbers. So both are F. Okay. So what is AND? Not one. Not one. It will be F. No. AND. See, let's see. First number is F. Second number is F. AND operation R3. That's also F. OR operation. Or. Imagine that and go on giving. Please give register name also. Don't only give the value of value. Give the register name. What is the register name and your answer? R4 answer. R4. Suryakant is right. Correct. Let's see. R4 is right. What about R5? R5. So you need to imagine only rightmost side 4 contents. Correct. Rakshita is correct, I guess. Let's see whether R5 will be 0. Yes, R5 is 0. That's why we are getting. Okay. So what about R6? R6. R6. So first in your here you can complement it. What we will get complement of R2? 6, 7 times F, then 0. ANDed with the 6, 7 times 0, then F. See here. F. 4 times 1, 2, 3, then 0. That should be ANDed with, sorry, original number. Let me take 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 3, F. So that should be ANDed with 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, F. You can imagine answer of R6 will be 0 because this is 0, this F, like that, last F, last 0. So let's see. So what we can notice here is R6 will not get a blue border because it is 0, it will be 0. So that's it. Hope it is clear now. So we'll go for the next one. Okay, next set of instructions, comparison instructions. So two numbers will be compared and both numbers should be 32 bits. And answers will not be like greater, lesser, smaller, higher. Okay. So only we can see the change in CPSR flag. That too, the bit Z. If Z is equal to 1, we should assume both numbers are same. Sorry, are same. Also, we can assume it as equal. Okay. Okay. If Z equal to means Z bit of CPSR here, Z bit is equal to 0, numbers we have compared are not same, or you can also call it as they are not equal. So let me give the one scenario. If you compare 3 and 3, what happens? If you compare 3 and what happens? Do reply in the chat box. 3 and 3 comparison. What is the answer? Don't give English name, same, different, etc. Give in terms of Z. If you compare 3 and 3, so Z should be 1. If we compare 3 and 2, Z should be 0. Hope it is clear. So let's go for the program and check it whether we will get. Okay, so project, open a project. Compare program, and in that I have typed one comparison.asm file. I took some numbers, 5, 6, 5, 1, 1. So some of the numbers I took. Okay, now I am comparing. Hope you can see now properly. So what is the line number 9 comparison? Line number 9 comparison, R1, R3. So what is R1? 5. R3 is 5. So what is the answer we should expect once the line number 9 is completed? What should be the Z value? Reply, yes, correct. So line number 11. Line number 11. Who is telling this to? Line number 11. No. Answer values are different. If values are different, Z will be 0. If values are same, Z will be high. If the two numbers you are comparing are different, then it will be, see here I told you, not same means what we should think. Not same, Z should be 0. Numbers are same, Z should be high. So let's check now. Okay, save this. Debug. Okay, first take the 5 and 6, then 5 and then 1, 1. I took two numbers, leave it. So what is our choice? I mean, first concentration, line number 9. So here, please concentrate. This is the first time I'm explaining CPSR. Here, if we need to elaborate and remember the first or present situation of the Z. What is presently Z is 0. So after this, what numbers are they same? Yes. So Z should become 1. So if Z should become 1, can you see can you observe this Z changed to 1? That's why we got this blue. Okay. So next, I will keep some no operation, means some empty. Next, again, I want to compare two different numbers. See, what was the condition earlier? If two numbers are same, which you have compared, Z will be 1. So we have compared 5 and 5. So we got correct answer for Z. So now what we are comparing in the line number 11, one number is 5, another number is 6. So 5 and 6. Okay, 5 and 6 different numbers. Leave about magnitude, which is higher or which is smaller. Magnitude wise, 5 and 6 are different. So Z should be 0. Let's see whether Z will become 0. Now line number 11 is about to execute. Presently Z is 1. That should change answer to 0. And also it should become in a blue color. Only concentrate on Z. See now, Z has changed to 0. Okay. Is it clear now? Okay. Next we have something important. The instruction is CMN. The instruction CMN. Let's go for the slide. What do you mean by CMN? See, compare negated, and this will not generate any result. This will only set a flag bit. Result of some operations. Result of some operations. What is the answer? Rn plus n. It's a plus work. So according to plus work, flags are set. I hope, can you see this here? Okay, I think you can see now. CMN means compare negated. Compare negated means take the first number, that is RS1, take the second number, that is RS2, perform normal, make okay this work, then check the result. Okay, whether the result is, means set the flags according to this result. So now let's go for that and continue. Okay, what is here the value of R4 and R5? Let me take the value of R4 and R5. What are those? 1 and 1. Okay, here 1 with the 1. Okay, fine. Sorry, I have to go back because I have modified. Save this. And again, I need to go for debug. Okay, first number R5, second number R6, again 5, two numbers 1, 1. Then comes, please again, I'm executing one more time. So what is the line we are executing? R1 and R3. R1 is 5, R3 is 5, both are same, hence Z should be 1. So Z is right now 0, it is going to be 1. You can make a notice. Yes, it is. So then comes what? Compare. So no operation, leave one operation, don't worry. So comparison, R1 and R2. So two numbers I am comparing are different, hence Z should be 0. So 5 and 6 are not equal to each other. So I should get Z, whatever it is, it should go back to 0. Yes, it has changed. Now one more no operation. Okay, now let's go for the work of R4 and R5, 1 plus 1. Don't worry about magnitude, whether it is a 2 or a binary or, okay. Just think whether the answer will be positive or carry will generate. Okay, like that we have to think. So let's see now. See, the answer 1 plus 1 is not a negative answer. So n became 0. When n becomes 1 is when something we did and that operation gives us minus result. So then n becomes 1. And this 1 plus 1, which is a OR operation, not generates any of the carry. Hence, this C is not 0, it is 1. And answer of this CMN is not affecting any changes in the Z. So hence, no carry, and also not a 0 for the answers. Okay, so that's it for the session. Please do give your USN in the attendance or chat box. Make it fast, we have less than a minute.